Hey guys, it's Miss Diggs, and I wanted to show you a few different techniques that you can use to make copies at home. And I was trying to think of some very simple things like we've talked about in art class. So we've used a couple of these techniques in some of the first grade classes. We've done the crayon, and we've done the other two with the graphite, aka pencil lead, or the black crayon we just did recently in 4th and 5th grade to make copies. So what I've done is I've created a little sheet of paper and I just colored lots of rainbow colors. You can do it in a pattern if you want to. And I just did it just kind of randomly. Ruby helped me kind of color the rest. And then the other one we just colored with graphite, which is the pencil lead, you know, that gets kind of yucky on your hands after you've been writing all day. And then we've got black crayon right here. If you want to do it a little bit better where it's really dark and kind of midnight black, that would probably be the best. Then you won't have any gaps when you do your writing. So all age levels can do this really well. And you can just use it on any scrap piece of paper that you want. But the cool thing about this is it creates a transfer. So this is a waxy buildup with the crayon. And then you've got the loose kind of powdery graphite from the pencil. So you can use that on a plain piece of paper. And what you're gonna do is once that's done, you can flip it and create a drawing on one side. You can color in, you can add all sorts of patterns, you can write if you want to. The whole point of this is that when you start coloring in and you start pressing down with the pencil onto the other paper, so say you have put this on top of the blank white paper, don't flip it the other way and try to do it because then it won't come off. But you're taking the wax and you're putting it on the blank paper. So here you've got some colorful options. So you can have a rainbow sheet. This one you're gonna have that graphite on there. So if you want something that you can erase and mess up, or you know, draw, start again, make copies for your friends, make copies to send letters and artwork to grandma and grandpa during this time, then you can do that. So right here, whatever that you lay down is gonna pick up and make a copy onto this. So there's the graphite. And then here's the black crayon, which is it's my favorite. So I like that one because then you can see how well that transfers. And I know some of you guys love that little sound that sticks when you lift up, so you can hear that. So this is kind of like those carbon transfers that they used to have with receipts. We talked about the invention of the printing press and how that kind of helped, you know, people didn't have to do this all the time to transfer books or make pictures and posters of artwork. They could actually use the printing press, and that kind of helped produce a lot more than just one sheet at a time. So just this is a couple of options, 3 options that you can do. You can get even more creative with it. I just hope that this kind of helps you just have a little bit of fun and trying some different things. Even look up the history of the printing press with Gutenberg if you want to, and learn a little bit about how the history of art got produced, mass-produced, or writing got mass-produced. So just try a few of these options. Thank you. Y'all have a good week. Bye.